Eleni, do you remember the funniest story that we've had in a case that we worked on together?
One that went to trial?
Yes.
Yes, Alex, I do.
What was funny about it?
A dog named Harley.
That's right. So I had this case for years where it was a trucking accident and it was in a country road, straight as an arrow, two cars, the truck and our client coming towards each other. And for some bizarre reason that was very difficult to figure out, the truck made a left turn in front of my client's car.
And your client's car was red. I remember it was red. It was clear as day. It wasn't raining, nothing. There's no reason why this is very experienced truck driver could not see it.
After almost 3 years of litigating the case, what happened?
One eternity later.
We get ready. We're moving forward toward trial. Our amazing assistant says, you know, they just got divorced. Let me put a subpoena on this guy's ex-wife to see if she knows something, because we were convinced. We had cell phone records, we had everything. We were trying to figure out what had this guy distracted, and he'd been talking to his wife all morning.
The morning of the accident.
The morning of the accident. He wasn't on the phone at the time of the accident.
Didn't I take the deposition of his wife?
You did, and you didn't ask one very important question that we've now all learned to ask.
They have certain privileges where spouses don't have to basically tell on each other.
Exactly, it's called the spousal privilege.
So why was the spouse able to talk to us at this point of the case?
Well, they were divorced at that juncture.
Oh, okay.
We put the subpoena on her.
This was an open trial, right?
This was an open trial. It got very heated and contested. But we learned that his wife had recently purchased a puppy, and she had to go out of town. And he was responsible for watching that puppy. He had the puppy in the truck with him. Harley, a very cute Yorkie.
That was the distraction.
Yes, it was.
That took his eyes away from our client's car, right?
Yeah.
And caused the accident. So what do we do now, you and I, in every single auto case that we ever handle?
I start laughing every time I go to ask this question, and I apologize to everybody, but I always ask, aside from you, was there anything else that was alive in the vehicle? Whether that's a dog, a cat, a rabbit, anything living, breathing that you were aware of.
It's sort of like a secret of ours. Like, it's almost, do we really want every other lawyer who might look at this consider that?
Absolutely, we want to help plaintiffs' lawyers too. This podcast is for everybody. Guys, if you're asking any questions and you're in a deposition and you're trying to figure out why somebody is distracted, ask the dog question. It's important.
Don't forget to call Fiol and Morros.
813-223-6773 if you're ever involved in a car accident and are injured.